Hi lovelies, it's NANAANG here, back with another video. I have found it. So many of us that are YouTube creators for nails constantly want to change our manicure because we like to see new and pretty things on our nails. But with that, I found constantly taking off my tips with even my Jello peel off base was causing my nails some damage, causing them to be a little thinner. And I wanted to find a way that I could change my nails without having to remove the tips all the time. So these short squares have been on for 3 weeks now. You can see they're about due for a fill. But I did not apply them with any peel off base. I applied them like regular normal Gel-X extensions. And if you want to see how I do that, I have a video in Back to Basics playlist on how to apply Gel-X tips. Okay, so my thought was, I want to leave them on for at least a month, but I want to be able to change the manicure without drilling off the product. So I was watching the Secret Devil YT's channel, Megan, and I'll pop that up right here. And she just changes her manicures all the time, right over her Gel-X tips. Now she uses lacquer, but I thought to myself, why wouldn't this work with gel polish? So I started doing some experimenting, and it does, y'all. It does. So I'm going to take you through the process of the easy application and removal of these. These have been on for 3 days, okay? And at the end, I will take these off and show you just how easy it is. So stay tuned. It's exciting. Okay, so you put your Gel-X extensions on. I wanted to have a base color, just a little cat eye base color on there. So when I take them off, I have something on my nails. But you don't have to. You could do this process right over top of the Gel-X extensions. But you do want to put on a thin top coat over whatever you're doing on your tips, okay? A thin, glossy top coat. I chose this Born Pretty top coat because it is thin and it is shiny. And then what you're gonna go in with is this air dry Orly One Night Stand peel off base coat. Don't get a gel UV cured peel off base coat. It won't work. I have tried several in this method and I end up drilling the design off because it just doesn't peel. So this over top of a shiny top coat. Okay, so we're going to do that now. This is a thicker consistency air dry peel base. So you're just going to apply a thin layer. Doesn't have to be too thick. Right over that top coat. Okay, let's get our thumb. The reason I like to have something underneath is you could work that into the design, you know? But you're going to want to make sure it's a very thin thin coat, or the nails are going to get too thick on you. Okay, like I said, this is air dry, and it does take some time to dry. So we'll let that dry. Megan has one of those machines that she puts these in, and they dry a lot quicker. But I tend to find it takes a good 5 to 10 minutes to get that dry. So I'll let you go while it dries, and then I'll be back for the next step. Woo! So exciting. Okay, the peel off air dry base coat is completely dry. And I forgot to mention, you can just buy this on Amazon. That's where I found it. It's One Night Stand Peel Off Base Coat. Air dry. Okay. All right. And then Megan tells us that we need to have something to kind of lock in or make that peel base sturdy. So we're going in with another air dry product. This is Sally Hansen Dries Instantly Top Coat. We're going to go in with 2 layers of this to make a hard shell around that peel base. Okay, it's not very thick, it's very thin, so it doesn't add any bulk or anything like that. Just 2 thin coats to make you a shell. Letting it dry completely, of course, in between each coat. It's kind of fun to dip back into the nail lacquer products for this. Okay, that's one coat. Let it dry, and then I'm going to put on its second coat and let it dry. Okay, let's recap. You start with shiny top coat, go in with your air dry peel base, and then 2 coats of a lacquer top coat, letting it completely dry before we go on to the next step. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, lovelies, I'm back and they're all dry. And now you're ready for whatever you want to do. The possibilities are endless. You can stamp over these. You can put gel polish over them. You can put rhinestones over top of it. It's all going to come off. I'm going to show you. Stick with me. Stick with me. We're going to take these off and I'm going to show you. So for today's purposes, I'm just going to go in with a simple sticker mani and a little cat eye. I'm going to do the cat eye on the pinky and the pointer. And this is Madam Glam Ruby Madness. Beautiful red cat eye. Just in time for Valentine's Day. And I don't go in with any base coat or anything. Just right over top of that air dry top coat. Okay, let's get our magnet. Okay, let's lock it into place. Flash cure it for 10 to 15 seconds. And let's do our pinky in that same color. Okay, now we'll cure both of those for 60 seconds. Okay, all cured and beautiful. Love that polish. Okay, and because I chose to have a layer of this kind of pink and flashy cat eye underneath. We're going to use that as part of the design and go in with some simple stickers right over top of that air dry top coat. Let's see, what do we want to do? Now, you didn't expect Nana to go in with hearts and flowers, so we're going to do hearts and flowers, but we're going to do a little thorns with them, huh? Oh, and these stickers stick amazingly well to that air dry top coat. Okay, I like this one here. Okay, and I'm going to file off that little part of the sticker that is hanging off there. Okay, and then we'll do, I think, this one on the thumb. Okay, super cute. Super cute, super easy, super fast. All right, now we can just go in with our gel top coat and lock all of that in. So let's top coat. It's top coat time. Yes, when I was watching Megan's channel, she has some great tips and tricks. She does mainly lacquer sets. And oh, she does such beautiful work. So if you have not checked out Megan at Secret Devil YT, please go over there and give her a look, give her a comment, and let her know that Nana sent you. She always has such great tips and tricks. And like I said, she's a nail lacquer girly. And oh, she has the most beautiful collection of colors. All right, I'm gonna hold them upside down. And we're gonna cure them for 60 seconds, and I'll be back with you for the most exciting part. We're gonna remove these puppies, and you're gonna see what all the fuss is about. I'm telling you, stick with me. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. I'd love to have you in the family. We're trying to grow around here. And who doesn't need to see some tricks and tips now and again? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we are back. And they look lovely. Like I said, don't mind the grow out. I need to fill them, is what I need to do. But I needed to get on here and show you guys this. Okay, so like I said, these have been on for a couple days. This one did fall off. So this is not going to be a long wear option. Okay, this is for the girlies who want to wear them 2-3 days, take them off, and start over. Okay, here's the fun part. Now we're going to remove this cat eye gel. Just gonna want to find an area that looks kind of loose. Sometime on the end is a good spot. Or the edges. Okay. Got me a loose spot here. Now you're simply gonna loosen it up. And at this point, you just peel it off. You peel it off and you're left with your top coat that you can just wipe with alcohol and go right back in with a new design. That's what I thought was so cool about this. These just have the sticker and the top coat. Quick, easy peel off of whatever you want to design your nails. That's it. That's all. You're ready to wipe them with alcohol, go back in with some base coat, 2 layers of top coat, air dry top coat, and you're ready to redesign. Isn't that cool? Thank you so much, Megan, for coming up with this amazing quick change hack. You get all the credit and all the props. You have essentially saved my nails, girl. Thank you. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Make sure to check down in the description box for some coupon codes to save you some money. Also, I will link this Orly peel-off base and this Sally Hansen top coat down in the description box. I got both of them on Amazon. Quick, easy. I'll also link Megan's channel. I will tag her so you can click on her name and run on over there and check her out. She's amazing. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. We're trying to grow around here, and I'd love to have you in the family. And that's all I have for you, lovelies. Happy quick changing. Love ya. Nana Ange.